What's up, Tang Gang? Gang. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming back for another episode of Tana.d hair care. So today, as mentioned in my video from last week, I will be trying GEMINI Naturals temporary hair color gel. I'm really excited because I always wanted to dye my hair this summer. Obviously not permanently because I ain't out here trying to take care of color treated hair. Not for me. But this color gel, as I've heard, is really good if you're looking for something temporary, you know, still getting that nice color, X the damage, you feel me. I purchased 2 colors, which I will show you soon. Until then, it's a mystery. You just gotta figure it out. But yes, I'm dyeing my hair a certain color to later be disclosed, and I am really excited to see the results. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I release my new videos. Join the Tang Gang, guys. Support a sister. Click that subscribe button. It's free. Do it. I'm gonna give you some time to do it right now, actually. You know what? Well, I'll wait, okay? Like, I'll wait. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button. Thank you for joining the Tang Gang. Get ready for more lit content. Okay guys, if you haven't figured out by now what color I'm dyeing my hair, like I don't even know what to say. Yes guys, I am dyeing my hair purple. This color I have seen a lot of people use from the GEMINI Naturals and I have seen the results and loved it. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna try it on my own hair. But I also got it in mulberry. I got mulberry and purple rain. So I'm gonna mix them together, see it, how nice it looks. I'm ready, okay? I'm ready. I'm feeling purple today and it even matches my shirt. Like, are we just gonna, it even matches my shirt, guys, so I'm really happy about that. But yeah, that's all I'm doing today. So with no further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, my hair is looking a sweet mess. Okay, so I'm going to split my hair into 2 because you guys know I like to work in halves. So I'm going to do that. Alright, so I'm just gonna split this section into 3 sections and work 1 section at a time. Alrighty, so we have our section. So I'm just going to start by spraying it with water. I want the hair to be fairly wet. I'm not gonna apply any oil to this section because I feel that it's already oily enough. Before I had my twists in, I put a butter in and it's kind of just still in my hair, so I'm not gonna apply any oil. But what I am going to use is this beauty. This is my DIY leave-in conditioner from my DIY wash day, which I will link above, so you guys can go check that out and see how I made this. But basically, it's just aloe vera juice, like Shea Moisture's coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner that really helps bring out my curls, and I'm pretty sure I put olive oil in it too. So this is gonna really help kind of activate my curls. Just working that in from ends to roots and finger detangling as I go. Alrighty, now grabbing my DIY flaxseed gel. I'm going to use this to activate my curls instead of the Curl Awaken primer because I didn't actually purchase that. But GEMINI Naturals, in the line, they have a Curl Awaken primer, the color gel, and then a sealed up oil. So I didn't get the Curl Awaken primer because I was just gonna use my own gel. This works well for me, so hopefully it will mix well with the gel. We're about to see. Alright, so now that I feel my curls are activated enough, we are going to start with the color gel. This is the color. You guys can see that. But yeah, don't know if you guys can really see it, but it's doing something. I'm using the raking method to further define my curls with the product. Oh, there we go. Now we're starting to see that more vibrant color. So now taking Purple Rain. Wow, this is a very, very, very vibrant purple. Let me show you. Like, look at that. So I'm gonna try and focus this more on the ends. Mixed with the mulberry, it does its stuff. Got a nice purple section. On to the next. Okay, so grabbing the next section. How?
Everything is purple.
Spritz it with water. I'm going to grab my DIY leave-in, spritz that onto the section. Been working this in from ends to roots. Now taking my DIY flaxseed gel, going to also work this in. I'm gonna take the color gel and work that in. Very bright, vibrant purple hair. I actually love this so much. Okay guys, I am going to repeat this same process on the rest of my head, but I'm going to do the front sections last. So I'm going to start with the other side. Alrighty guys, so I am done my whole head. I am definitely loving the look of this right now. Like, I'm going to quickly go and dry my hair with my diffuser, and I will come back to show you guys the results when I am done. Alrighty guys, so my hair is now completely dry, so I'm just going to stretch this out because my hair kind of shrunk a lot, as you can see. I'm just gonna show you guys what I will be applying to my hair to seal in the color and, you know, make it more vibrant. So we have the Gemini Naturals Seal It Up oil. It's gonna break. Yeah. I will be using this and just squeezing it into each section as I stretch out my hair. So I'll just show you guys. I'll just show you guys what I'm doing. I'm going to take my Seal It Up oil and just, let me get some smooth oil. Okay, so I got some in my hands, rub it in my palms and squeeze it into the section. The blow dry is going to be on the lowest setting as usual, faster speed. Just gonna repeat that same process on the rest of the head. Alrighty guys, so we're done. Alrighty guys, so your girl, she did it. As you can see, I dyed my hair purple. I really, really love the Gemini Naturals color gel because my experience with it was just great. It worked well with the flaxseed gel I used to bring out my curls before I used that color gel, and I literally love the color. It's vibrant. So I really, really love the color. It did help elongate my curls. As you can see, the shrinkage wasn't like too bad, and after I stretched it out, it was fine. I'm not getting really any of that crunch once I used the sealant oil, which was really great. So overall, we are giving Gemini Naturals color gel a 10 out of 10. We are giving them 10 out of 10. I 100% recommend that you guys should go and purchase it and try because they have so many colors. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any new video ideas, drop them in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, DM me on my Instagram right there down below. Yeah, I will answer you, I promise. In next week's video, I will be talking about false expectations I had for, I guess, going natural and also high school because I just finished my first year of high school. So it'll be more of a chit chat, chill, you know, get to know me session kind of thing. So yes, I am looking forward to you guys seeing that. Stay tuned for that and see you guys in the next video.